is going on, guys? Today, I have you the Monsterarts Jet Jaguar. I'm just going to be unboxing it. There have been very mixed things about this guy. He's been out for a while. I've been slowly paying him off at my local comic store. But now that I got him, I'm going to see how he is in my hands. And again, there have been very mixed things said about this guy. But I'm going to see how I feel about him. Now, because I got him because there's not really any articulated Jet Jaguar on the market besides the Singular .1. I think it might actually still be in stock because it's not very popular. But this guy is pretty popular, so here he is in the box. And let's just get this thing opened up. Alright. So, first impressions. He does not have... I thought he came with the blue kind of eyes on. But it looks like that's not the case here. Got his little plastic covering around his waist. And, yeah. You can also put a thumbs up on him if you want. So he is pretty thick. He's in the thick of it.
I'm in the thick of it.
That's the one thing a lot of people about this guy did not like. He's very thick, and you could pull out his legs too, so they go in. Like, look at that, is one caked up Jet Jaguar right there. But you could pull out his legs, which is a very old engineering thing, which kind of makes it better, but still, the back of him is very... You can go back, you can move forward. Of course, I'll go more into depth if I do a review on this guy. But you cannot... Can you get him to T-pose? You can get him to T-pose. Oh, and then that's how you take off the head there. So, he seems very stiff. I don't know. I feel like it's very finicky. But yeah, that's this guy. So yeah, full review. I'll make a full review on him, possibly in the near future. But we'll see. Honestly, you can definitely tell the inaccuracies, but I'm not very off put by this guy. So yeah, that's it.